What's the meaning of cavalry twill? Cavalry twill. Cavalry twill.
Cavalry twill. Cavalry twill. Cavalry twill is a type of fabric that is characterized by its distinctive diagonal weave pattern. This pattern is created by the use of 2 warp threads for every weft thread, resulting in a durable and sturdy material that is often used for clothing and upholstery. The name cavalry comes from the fact that the material was originally used to create uniforms for cavalry soldiers due to its durability and ability to withstand harsh conditions. In modern times, cavalry twill is still popular for its durability and classic look, often used for pants, jackets, and suits.